Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to share Spotify playlist. So go for your Spotify app and go for your library and choose that playlist you want to share. I'll go for this playlist, and now you have to go for in this three dot option. Now you can see here is the share option. So click on it, and either you just copy the link and you can share to your other social media platforms. Uh, Other way, you can just go for the social media platform when you have to share this playlist. So I'll go for in this Instagram stories. Okay, now you have to choose. Okay, so now you can see here is the story section, so you can just go for your story here. Okay, you can add anything you want. After that, just go for just in this your story option. So this is how you can share your playlist. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.